Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put 2 photos on Instagram stories. The first thing we will do is enter our Instagram app. Once inside, click on the bottom add icon or move the screen to the right. Next, we will be placed in the story mode. Here we will click on the lower left icon to enter our gallery and select the first image. Once inserted, we are going to pinch the image with 2 fingers to be able to resize it and place it wherever we want. If you let go, pinch it again with 2 fingers to modify it. Now let's add the second image. To do this, click on the top face-shaped icon. Then we search and click on the Add More Images icon that we show you. After that, find the image you want to add and click on it. As before, pinch the image with 2 fingers to modify it and place it wherever you want. Continue creating your composition with the elements you want, and when you finish, you can publish your story with 2 images at a time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.